Now we are going to move to learn how we can redirect the target browser to any website you want. So you can redirect him to google.com, facebook.com, or any website you want. And also you can redirect him to a page that contains a malicious file, or you can redirect him to a fake page to enter his login credentials, for example. So you can do whatever you want. And to do that, we're going to use a module that's called redirect browser that comes with Beav. So I'm going to click on my hooked client. As you can see, it's hooked with my website, which is www.securitypro.com, as you can see here. So I'm going to click on my client, and then I'm going to say commands, and it's in browser, hooked domains, and it will be here. So as you can see, it's called redirect browser. So here it comes by default with that it's going to redirect the target to beav.com, and I'm gonna change it to google.com. So let's say, for example, https://www.google.com. And now let's test it. As you can see right now, the target is hooked with my website, and now we will redirect the target browser to google.com. So watch this. I'm gonna say execute, and I'm gonna come back here. And as you can see, we were able to redirect the target browser to google.com. So here I'm going to accept the terms. Here is it. So I'm going to come back to my website just to hack it again. So I'm going to delete it right now. Okay, so now we are going to redirect the target to a page that contains a malicious file. So once we redirect the target to that page, our malicious file will be downloaded on the target machine. And then if he tried to open this file, he will be hacked. So my file is ready, and we learned how we can create a payload and how we can combine it with other exe files. So here it's in my downloads, and it's winride.exe, and you have to put it on your web server. So to do that, I'm going to open the terminal from within the downloads folder, and I'm going to say cp for copy and w r540.exe, which is the name of WinRAR, and I'm going to add the full path of my web server, which is located in var www.html, and I'm going to say enter. So let me check again. I'm going to say cd var www.html, and now I'm in my web server, and if I say ls, you can see that WinRAR program is on my web server. And now we will enable your web server. It's very important because we will redirect him to our web server. So our web server has to be enabled. Service Apache to start, and I'm gonna say enter. So now everything is ready to go, but we need to set a listener. In my case, I'm gonna set a listener right now, and we learned how to do that. It's just very simple and easy. And now I'm gonna say run, and my listener is ready. So once the target downloads my file and open it, I will get a reverse connection. So now let me come back to the module, which is redirect the browser. So it's here, as you can see. And now I'm gonna put the full path or the IP address of our web server. Then I'm gonna say slash wrar540.exe, which is the name of WinRAR. So it's very simple and easy. Just put your IP address. So 192.168.0.150. Let me put http and wrar540.exe, and now everything is ready. And once I hit execute, the file will be downloaded automatically. This is the old file. So let me say X, and I'm gonna say execute, and you will see that the file will be downloaded automatically on the target browser. As you can see here, I'm going to show in folder, and I'm gonna run it. Run anyway. So I'm gonna come back here, and as you can see, I have get a reverse connection to do whatever I want. So I'm going to say ls sysinfo, and as you can see, everything is ready. And just because we have redirected the target to a malicious file and the file has been downloaded, and once he open it, we will get a reverse connection. So we learned from this lecture how we can redirect the browser to any website you want, and as I show you right now, that we can redirect him to a malicious file or to a page that contains a malicious file that will be downloaded automatically on the target browser, or you can redirect him to a fake page to enter his login credentials so that you can steal his online account, or you can redirect him to any page you want.